Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are on the other side of the town. To be precise, we are in Odero. I know some of you don't understand or know where Odero is, but Odero is along Waiyaki Way. Exactly 15 kilometers from Nairobi CBD and exactly 4.5 kilometers from Kabete Police Station. Odero is among the fastest small growing towns, especially due to the expressway that is being constructed from Limuru to Mlolongo. Other smaller towns that are experiencing similar growth along that route include Kangemi, Keno, Kikuyu, and Gitaru. Before we dig deeper into the video, my name is Mungai Kihara, and today I'll be behind your screens. We are in the month of July, and in Kenya and most countries along the equator, this is the coldest month. And by this I know most of you are indoors and don't want to see anyone. Trust me, I also don't want to see you guys. But on the other hand, I'm surprised that we are at 21,000 subscribers. How the hell did we get there? The last time we had a conversation about the subscription, we were at 6,000 subscribers. The only thing that I can do right now is to congratulate you guys for this far that we have gone. And if you're out there and you have not subscribed to this channel, you can ask the others and they'll tell you that you are missing a lot. So, do the honors. The property market and the real estate growth along Waiyaki Way has taken Nairobi skies by a storm. This market is very broad and it includes residential developments, commercial developments, and recreational developments. Today we are going to discuss the former. This home is a 3-bedroom master and suite with a print area of 135 square meters. The price of this apartment is 10.45 million. But still in this apartment block, we have a similar 3-bedroom but without a servant's quarter. The print area of that apartment is 130 square meters and the price is 9.9 million. From the entrance, you can see that this home comes with a big living area that is capable to fit your 7-seater couch. The living area opens to this spacious balcony, and from here you can add a 2-seater and enjoy your drink as you enjoy these beautiful views. This living room comes with a big window and a transparent door, and in combination they give you maximum natural light. During the night, your light will be surprised by these 2 small chandeliers and complemented by the 4 side lights. The color scheme of this living room and the apartment at large is neutral, providing a very good space for your artwork and your pictures. On the opposite side of the living room, this home comes with this space that has been secluded to act as your dining area. As you can see, this area is already big enough to fit a dining set of 6 people. But the space is big enough to fit an 8-seater dining set to a 10-seater dining set. This dining area opens to the kitchen through this small hole, or if you're polite enough, you can call it a small counter table. Above it, you have some shelves that you can use for your regular utensils, cutlery, or crockeries. From here, I'll take you direct to the kitchen. And at the entrance of the kitchen, you can see that the counter table that I showed you in the dining area extends to the kitchen. And on this side, you have 3 seats that makes this counter table to act as the breakfast table. From here, you can still confirm that this is a standard kitchen and it comes with all the fixtures expected. On the far front, you can see that the kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. And it also comes with a very big dark granite countertop. At the center of the countertop, you have a double sink. And on the right hand side, you can see that you have spaces for your cooktop and your refrigerator. On the other side of the kitchen, you have this door that opens to the employee quarters, and this other white door opens to the pantry. The pantry is of a standard size, and I'm very sure it will fit all your dry foods. From here, I'll take you to the employee quarters, and as you can see, the space is not very big, but it's enough for 1 employee. The best thing about these employee quarters is that it comes with its own bathroom. From here, I'll take you back to the main house and straight to the 1st bedroom. Before we start with the 1st bedroom, you have this hallway that makes it easy for you to move within the bedrooms without setting a foot to the living room. The 1st bedroom and the 2nd bedroom has been set aside for the kids. These bedrooms are more similar than different. The 1st bedroom is of a standard size, and as you can see, it comes with a 4x6 bed. The bedroom is big such that you still have some space for your side drawers. On the left side of the bedroom, this bedroom comes with a big window that gives this room maximum natural light. On the opposite side of the window, you have this closet. The closet is floor to ceiling, good quality, but it's minimalistic when it comes to partitioning. From here, I'll take you to the second bedroom, but before we get there, the second bedroom and the first bedroom are separated by the common area. In this common area, we have a separate washroom and a separate bathroom, and in addition, we have a wash basin. The washroom and the bathroom are of a standard size, and I'm very happy with this idea where the washroom is separated from the bathroom. That means that one of your kids can be using the bathroom while the other one is using the washroom without them trying to kill each other. Let's go to the second bedroom. As I said, the first bedroom and the second bedroom are almost similar. The only difference is that the second bedroom comes with a slightly smaller window. I do not like the idea, and I think one bedroom should be slightly bigger for the bigger kids. This bedroom also comes with a similar closet and a space for your side drawers. From here, I'll take you directly to the primary bedroom. As usual, the primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with enough space for you to do your king size or a queen size bed, and still you have some spaces for your side drawers. This bedroom comes with a bigger window compared to the other two, and also it comes with a bigger closet. This closet is of a standard size, though I don't think it's the biggest, especially if you have a partner who can't stop shopping. From here, let me show you the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is of a standard size, and on one side you have the water closet and a wash basin. On the other side you have the showering area, which comes with a rain shower and a handheld. This bathroom also comes with all the other fixtures that you may require, and that's all for this bedroom. You have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed everything. I do not think it's necessary for me to show you the other unit that does not come with an SQ. I think the easiest thing for you is just to subtract an SQ from what you have watched. There's no need to watch another 8-minute video just to see the same thing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!